Hey, and welcome to the channel. This is about restoring or repairing a 28-foot 1940s double-ended wooden sailing yacht that was built in Sydney, Australia. The yacht's currently outside Melbourne, Victoria in Australia. And over the last couple years, I've been doing a bit of tool restoration, some minor rebuilds of parts for the boat, and a little bit of rope work and a lot of research. Over the next 6 to 12 months, we're looking at replacing some of the planking, redoing the interior, and restoring the rigging to get ready to launch. So if you enjoy woodworking, tools, sailing, rope work, or just watching along on a project, then like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. And thanks for watching.